Oil and filter service on the Infiniti QX70 3 litre diesel. Now the sump plug is nice and easy to access, but because the oil filter is on the front of the engine, we do need to remove this under tray here, which is 10mm bolts all the way around. The tool for the filter is an 86/18. And the sump plug, as you can see, is a square drive. While you're waiting for the oil to drain fully, replace the sump plug washer. Apply some oil to the seal on the new filter. Now the filter has instructions on the side of it, quite easy to follow. We're replacing the new filter and until the seal is touching the mating surface, at which point the filter can be tightened another 3/4 of a turn, and that's all that's required. So it's touching now, and we just turn it another 3/4 of a turn, and that's all that's required. Replace the sump plug with the new washer. I don't have a torque requirement for this, so we used 30 Newton meters, which is quite common on a lot of vehicles. Once everything's tightened, we cleaned off all the old oil. This will make it easy to see if there are any leaks once we replace the new oil and run the engine. Now to replace the oil. The engine took over 6 litres of oil. I couldn't find a manufacturer figure for the oil capacity, so what you'll need to do is top up, say 5.5 litres, run the engine, leave it off for a while and check the dipstick, although there is actually a message on the dash that tells you that the oil level is okay, but it doesn't give you a reading. So once we switch the engine on, we'll check underneath the car and see if there are any leaks, at which point we can replace the under tray.